Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of A Couple Cooks. I'm Saha, a volunteer, and this lady beside me is my wife.
Hi, I'm Charmaine.
Today we're going to bring you across to the Philippines. We're going to know it's not the adobo, but we're going to bring you something different, which is underrated. This is called the
Sinigang Na Hipon.
translated into English is called the shrimp in sour soup. So here we have the ingredients in front of us. We have the main star of the show, the prawn. We're gonna cook for about for a family of 4. So what we have here is prawns between 12 to 16 depending on the size. We have a packet of kangkong, some water, about 1.5 liters of water. And this plate of veggies here, we have about 3 pieces of lady's finger, 1 piece of tomato, 1 small piece of eggplant, and about 2 pieces of long beans. We should cut into about 2 inches long. And then here we have about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce.
Okay, we also have 2 green chillies, then a cup of radish, and 1 sliced onion, and also 2 tablespoons of tamarind or asam mixed with water.
So then you have the ingredients over here. So now we're going to go and wash our hands and we're going to start cooking. Everyone, we are back. Hands are clean now. In the pot we already have the water. Once it comes to a boil, we will start to put in the veggie. This is actually a very healthy and delicious soup that you guys should try at home. So what? I think the water is boiling now, right?
Okay,
Can we start it now?
Let's do it. Okay, first off, let's put in our onion, tomato, our asam or the tamarind, and our radish.
Okay, here we're just going to boil everything and creates the flavor. So the tomato will just soak, the radish will just soak the soup, and then we're just going to boil it for about 8 minutes, and we will come back to put the rest of the ingredients.
Usually, I'll just put in the onion and tomato first, but since the radish cooks a little bit longer, so we just put it in together. Okay, let's wait for like 5 to 8 minutes, and we'll add in the rest of the ingredients later on.
Okay, now we already have the soup that is already boiling about 8 minutes. Okay, we're just going to add in the rest of the vegetables. Okay, mix it up.
There you go, and we'll wait for another 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and we can add in our prawn and the fish sauce.
Yeah, I can't wait to taste the soup. It smells so good. This is actually one of my favorite Filipino dishes. Yeah. You know, Thailand they have the tom yum, and Singapore they have the mutton soup. This is another one from the Philippines. You guys should try it.
Let's cook. So we're now ready to add in the prawn. You put it all in, and also our fish sauce. We'll just keep on stirring until the prawn is cooked, and we're gonna add in our kangkong.
This is a very easy one-pot dish which takes less than 30 minutes to cook. Especially very easy for busy working parents like you guys. Can we put in the kangkong already? The shrimp looks red. It's like
Yes, it's
yeah?
already ready.
Well, I can really smell the goodness of this food.
This is your favorite, right?
Yeah, of course, this is my favorite.
There you go. Once you put in the kangkong, we just stir it once or twice. Since it's very easy to cook, we can already transfer it to a bowl and it's ready to serve.
Let me help you do it.
Thank you.
Okay guys, our Sinigang Na Hipon is now ready. I can't wait to get into this.
And also, please don't forget to like and share our Tampines Hub Facebook page.
Bye! Happy cooking!